broken in the silence, carrying weight I couldn't name, fighting battles in the darkness, calling out your holy name. I felt the heat of the furnace, I thought the flames would take me out, but in the middle of the burning, that's when I felt your arms around. You were there, you were there. If you're in it, I can't stand it. If you're near, I won't fear. Even when the fire's rising, I know you are here. I'll stay in the fire if you're standing with me. I'll walk through the waters if you're leading me. You never left me, you never let go. Even in the flames, your glory shows. I'll stay in the fire, 'cause I know you're close. This fire is well. This fire from my soul. This fire. They said the heat would break me. They said I'd lose my praise. But the harder that it got, the louder I proclaim. You are faithful in the burning. You are present in the pain. And what was meant to destroy me is turning to my praise. It's turning to my praise. If I'm in the fire, you're refining me. If I'm in the valley, you're reminding me that I belong to you. Yes, I belong to you. You're not done with me. You're not done with me. What the enemy meant for evil, you're turning it for good. Yeah. You're turning it for good. Yeah. No smoke on my clothes, no fear in my bones. When you're in the fire, I'm not alone. No, no chains can hold what heaven has called. I'm coming out stronger. I'm coming out whole. I'll stay in the fire if you're standing with me. I'll shout in the triumph, 'cause you set me free. Even in the flames, your glory shows.